Hey, in this video, we're going to talk about how to activate your employer profile. This is a super important point for your basic visibility on Google, because it allows you to present your company on Google for jobs. I will now explain very quickly what you need to do right here at this point. To get your profile ready to go now, please click on the profile icon up here. This will take you directly to your employer profile. Very important. It is best to fill out all the data here completely. This not only ensures better visibility for your company profile, but also makes you attractive to applicants, as they can see all the information at a glance. A quick tip: if you see a red warning triangle next to your website URL, it means the page is currently unreachable. In this case, it's best to double-check the spelling or the link so that everything runs smoothly from a technical standpoint. Once everything is entered, simply click the Activate button at the bottom and your profile is ready. Simple, right? As soon as you click the button, this notification will disappear and you will directly benefit from better visibility on Google. If you want to change any of your data later, you can find this section again at any time in the top menu bar. Good luck!